B is for banana, yellow and long. Peel it, eat it, sing a fruit song. C is for cherry, tiny and bright. Juicy little gems, a tasty delight. D is for dragon fruit, pink outside. Spotty and cool with seeds inside. E is for elderberry, purple and small. Berries together, we love them all. F is for fig, soft and sweet. A fruity, chewy, yummy treat. G is for grape, beets, green and round. Pop, 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 fun to be found. H is for honeydew, fresh and light. Cool green melon, juicy bite. I is for ice, apple jelly and clear. Chilly and tasty, brings fruity cheer. J is for jackfruit, big and bold. Golden pods and stories told. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. Green inside with seeds all around. L is for lemon, sour face. Pucker your lips, what a taste! A is for mango, king of them all. Sunny and juicy, we love it tall. N is for nectarine, smooth and sweet. Peachy flavor, fun to eat. O is for orange, round and bright. Vitamin C with every bite. P is for papaya, orange and soft. Healthy fruit we munch on a lot. Q is for quince, golden and rare. A fruity letter handled with care. O is for raspberry, red and small. Tangy and sweet, we eat them all. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped and red. Seeded outside, yummy instead. T is for tomato, yes it's a fruit. Juicy and red in salad or soup. U is for ugly fruit, funny name. Bumpy outside, sweet just the same. V is for vanilla fruit, pot so long. Gives sweet flavor to treats we love strong. W is for watermelon, big and round. Red and juicy, seeds all around. X is for sequoia, a melon too. Just like watermelon, tasty and new. Y is for yellow plum, soft and bright. Sun-colored fruit, pure delight. Z is for zucchini, green and neat. A fruity veggie that's fun to eat.